Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about a topic that what are the types of cloud. So basically there are three types of cloud. The first one is the public, the second one is the private, and the third one is the hybrid cloud. So let's take a look at them one by one in this video. So the public cloud. So public cloud by its name is showing that all the resources that you will be getting access to will be provided to you by any kind of company. So there are a number of companies that are providing these kind of cloud services, like the big names are AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP or Google Cloud Provider. These are some of the big companies that are providing these kind of cloud services, but there are a number of other companies also that are providing the similar services. And you just need to pay for the hourly, monthly or weekly basis. It depends upon their pricing model. So you need to keep this in mind. Now there are some advantages and disadvantages of public cloud also. Now the advantage is that you don't need to worry about the infrastructure, the server installation and the buying cost of it. Instead, the companies will manage all these things. The companies will buy the server, make the installation process easy. They will take care of all the infrastructure. Instead, they will just ask you to pay for the hourly, monthly or weekly basis, and they will just provide you these services. And if your requirement is fulfilled, then you just need to sign out and you don't need to pay afterward. Now the disadvantage is that the data that you will be using will be present in someone else servers, right? The data will be present in the company server, not in your own company. So now if the company has a bad intention, then they can manipulate their data, they can sell their data. So this depends upon the company's intention. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. Now the second type of the cloud is the private cloud. So private cloud is the opposite of the public cloud. Basically what it means that you will install all the infrastructure, the servers and all the installation will be happening in your company. So if you have a company, then you will just buy those servers and you will install them in your company. And once you have installed them, then you can provide the virtual IP addresses to all the computers that are present in your company, and all the computers can get access to it. All right, so it depends upon your need that what kind of data you are using or whether you want to make this data public or not. But the thing is the same. The first one, in the public cloud, the data will be present in someone else server, but on the private cloud, the data will be present in your company's server. All right. So there are some advantages and disadvantages also. So the advantage of that is basically the data will be present in your hand. Your data will not be accessible through some company's hand. Instead, you will be able to access their data and the data will be present in your company. Now the disadvantage is that your data, you need to spend a lot of money. This is the disadvantage of it. So basically if you are trying to start a business, then you need to also take care of all the servers and the installation processes, and you need to spend a lot of money on this thing also. So on the startup side, this is the disadvantage of it. But if you have a big business and you want to save money, then it could be a good thing for you in order to install the private cloud in your company. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. Now let's take a look at the hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud is not just another thing. Instead, it is the combination of the public cloud and the private cloud. So let's say if you want to use some resources in the public cloud, then you can provide those resources to the public servers. And if you want to keep some resources in your private cloud, then you can install your private servers and install that in your company, and then you can use those services, or you can use or store their data in your private servers. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind, that hybrid cloud depends upon the company's need, that what kind of data that you are trying to save, or what kind of data that you want to transfer to another server. So these are basically the three types that are basically the cloud types. And I hope you understood that what are the types of cloud and what are the functionalities of it. And if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.